When this guy was on his e-bike, he got scared after this cop called him over. But what he didn't know is that this was the most chill cop ever.
What are you doing?
Let's...
Yo. What are you doing?
What's going
I
on?
was wondering how. I was looking at the camera.
Oh yeah.
Yo, no, it's no problem. I was looking at it. I was looking. I was like, oh shoot, he got a camera.
Yeah, I got the camera. Just running around.
Electric, right?
Yeah, it's electric. Yep.
How fast it go?
It goes like, it's class 2, so it goes 20.